how to work with custom views. Let's get started. What exactly are custom views? Custom views are something that gives us an advantage by allowing us to hide and unhide columns and rows. For example, when meeting a client, I usually need to hide the columns showing prices in dollars. On the other hand, when meeting my manager, I have to display the price and hide another column. It becomes a challenging task to keep toggling between hiding and unhiding columns repeatedly. What if I teach Excel which columns to hide and show at any given time? That's where custom views comes in. Let's delve into how to set this up. Consider this complete view. I'd like to see it because I designed it. I can direct Excel accordingly by going to View, selecting Custom Views, adding my own view, giving it a name, saving it. Next, I might want to show a view to a client. So first, I'll hide the price column and save the specific view for the client by naming it accordingly in the custom view settings. Similarly, when I need to show all the data except the first column to my manager, I'll hide that column. Save this view for my manager and name it accordingly in the custom views. Once you've taken the effort to teach Excel these different views, the next time you're with a client, it's a simple task of selecting the client's view from custom views. Similarly, when meeting your manager, select the manager's view and Excel will display the data as desired. And when you're back home and you want to see the entire Excel sheet, simply select your personal view from the custom views, and you'll have the complete database visible. Let's also discuss deleting views. To delete views, navigate to Custom Views, select the views you want to remove, and confirm the deletion. This way, you can manage all the different types of views effectively.